Welcome to my channel Raghava Matrix. I am here to discuss how to write a 15 table using two tricks. So let us take trick 1 in that and let us see how it works. So in this trick 1, what I am going to do means I am going to take this 15 and what are the digits in 15? 1 and 5. I am going to take 1 and 5 tables to complete 15 table. Let's see. So I am going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one table. Next, I am going to take 5 tables also. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Next, what I am going to do means I am going to take the corner digits of this 5 table, that is 50, 50, 50, 50 and put this directly in the ones plus digits of 15. Of course, whatever 5 table or table in 5s you take, you always end with 50, 50, 50 so on. So let us put this in the 15 table as it is. So 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. So after this, what I am going to do is just I am going to add the leftover digits in 5 table with 1 table and write in the tens plus digit of 15. Let's see. Since no digit is there here, I am going to put 0 and add these two. 1 plus 0, 1, 15 ones are 15, 2 plus 1, 3, 15 twos are 30, 3 plus 1, 4, 15 threes are 45. So let us add and write these here. 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 3, 9, 7 plus 3, 10, 8 plus 4, 12, 9 plus 4, 13, 10 plus 5, 15. Yeah, in this way we complete 15 table using trick 1, that is 1 and 5 tables. Now let us go for trick 2. So let's see. I am going to start with 1. Okay, 15 ones are 15. Next, what I am going to do is skip and write next two numbers. Skip and next two numbers in that way. So let's see. Next, what is the number 2? I am going to skip that number. That is 2. I am going to skip it, means take off it and let us write 3, 4. Next number 5. 5 also I am going to skip it. Next 6, 7. Skip the number and write next two numbers. Next 8. 8 also will be taken out. Next 9, 10. Two numbers are written. Next 11. 11 also we must skip, means take off it. Next we have 12, 13. Next number 14. 14 also will skip and write 15. So in this way we can continue and get 15 table from this skipping numbers trick. Okay. So I think 15 table you understood how to write it easily using these two tricks. Okay. Thank you very much.